Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg noodles. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. This helps them incorporate better into the flour. Creating a well in the center of your flour on a clean surface is a classic technique. Crack the eggs directly into this well, then add the salt. Now, gently whisk the eggs with a fork, slowly drawing in flour from the sides of the well until a shaggy dough forms. Once combined, knead the dough vigorously for 8 to 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your noodles chewy and resilient. The dough should feel smooth and elastic. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for easy rolling. After resting, divide your dough into 2 or 3 portions for easier handling. On a lightly floured surface, roll each portion very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. You can use a rolling pin or a pasta machine. Once rolled, fold the dough loosely and cut it into your preferred noodle width. Dust the freshly cut noodles with a little extra flour to prevent them from sticking together. To cook, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh egg noodles and cook for just 2 to 4 minutes, or until they float and are tender but still have a slight bite. Drain them well and serve immediately with your favorite sauce or in a soup. For storage, uncooked noodles can be dried for several hours and then stored in an airtight container for up to 1 week. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.